doesn't matter.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes.
You need help?
Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and
Hi guys.
Good morning, guys. Alis tayo, punta tayo ng marketplace. May isa ulit na marketplace tayong pupuntahan. 10 o'clock kami aalis. And maganda yung weather. Okay. Alright, look. You like it? Okay. Get your socks now. Yun nga guys, alis tayo. Nasabi ko ba yung date? Today is, late nyo naman ito mapapanood. Saturday, July 9. So, alis tayong 10 o'clock. Hindi ko alam kung gagamitin ko to. Pero maganda naman yung weather. Siguro mag-ano na lang ako, mag-denim jacket. We'll see. Pero ready na kami. Inintayin na lang namin si Brady and si Kuya. And si Jan. Maaga sila kanina umalis. Mga 6:30. Mag-golf sila nila Ben. So kami, mag-market tayo guys. Ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ating OOTD guys. So ito yung ating OOTD guys. Naka-t-shirt tayong black na. My smile. Yan. And skirt na pleated. And sneakers. And alam nyo ba, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo na may kinatahong leggings na ginawa kong biker shorts? Yung kalahati niya ay andito. Ginawa ko siyang ano guys, protection sa hangin. So yan, hindi siya matatang kasi ano naman to, mahigpit naman siya guys. So ayan, hindi rin siya kita sa baba. Ayan, hindi rin siya kita. And naka-sneakers tayo guys. So yan ang ating OOTD guys. And ito nga, gusto ko sana siyang suotin. Just in case ba na mahangin. Pero parang sabi niya dyan maganda raw araw. So wag na lang. Balik ko to. Detail lang namin yung kasama natin. And alis na tayo. Kasi 9 ano na. What time is it, Zach? 9:29. 10 o'clock tayo. Alis, okay. Mamaya na.
Wait, it's on the side, right? Maybe in the middle.
Is it unsafe?
Yes. Thank you.
Mag-change lang daw siya ng t-shirt. Okay, let's go. You wanna go toilet first, Holly? You sure? I am. What are you doing, Sak? Wrong way. Punta na tayo dito sa Kapit Caravan. Si Holly, si Sak nag-jumper din kasi medyo malamig yung hangin. Good morning!
Good morning!
Bumalik kami sa caravan para kunin yung jumper niya kasi nilalamig siya and kinuha ko na rin yung hat niya. Si Zach, ayan. Okay, let's go! Dito na tayo guys. Indoor ano pala siya? Indoor market. Nasa na siya? Sports. Raymond Lurie Sports Center? Yeah. Malamig ang hangin. Dito na tayo sa loob.
In the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, cause I can stay
How much is this one? $90.
till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah. Whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise still
Gumagawa siya guys, oh. What are you making? Ring? Ah, rings. Ah, nice. Dito yung made from coins. Are coins? Philippines. Ah, you have Filipino ring. You have the coins. Ah, meron daw siyang Filipino ring. Meron daw siyang ring na Philippine coin. Oh, this is all the country coins. Ah. Where does this one come from? New Zealand, Philippines. Ayan, oh, meron siyang Australia, Japan, New Zealand.
It's possible I couldn't read the date.
This one. Philippines. Ayan. Ayan daw. Philippines.
Have a look, you can see inside the writing.
So you made this?
But I've only got very small Filipino coins. So I
Ayan.
can't make a man-sized ring. I need a bigger coin, you know?
Yeah. Wala pa kami nabibili, guys. Libot-libot lang. Libot-libot. Mga ano to, guys? Mga handmade. Handmade. Ganda rin dito, oh. Mga handmade sila lahat na tinitinda nila, mga handmade lahat. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Candy. Meron silang nakitang candy. Licorice sack. The pink one. Which one you like, Holly? You want this one? Wow. This is my... The rainbow one. Sweet rainbow, okay. Okay, how about you, Zaki boy? What you want? Watermelon? Okay, watermelon. Fizzy? Thank you. Thank you, okay. Max and... This is you? Thank you. Okay. Alright, what cupcake you want? Wala silang ano. Hi. Which one, Holly? What do you like, Sak? You want some? Okay. How about you, Ivy? You want some?
Do I want a cupcake or
A biscuit. How about you, Maxie? Biscuit? Okay. Okay, biscuit please. How about you, Max? Okay, you can eat now. Sabi ko kasi wag mo na lang kainin yung lollies. Kasi kailangan lang kumain ng something. That's good. Who made that one? You?
We made it.
Oh, that's good. Lahat dito homemade, handmade. Yeah? Okay. Go. Tapos na tayo dito, guys. Yan yung mga nabili natin. Oh, this one. This car. We're gonna go Kmart. Look at your face. I'll get you tissue. Punta tayo ng Kmart. May bibilin si Brody sa Kmart. Where's your tissue, Baba? So, punta tayo ng Kmart. Then, after Kmart, magko-calls tayo with the kids. First time.
27 minutes.
With the kids. Para tulungan nila tayo. Ha?
27.
27. Ayun siyang nakikita siya.
We saw these at a dinner shop.
Dinner shop.
Yeah. Adelaide.
In Adelaide. Tinanggal niya na yung bow.
This looks like actually food. We get moved.
Bili sila ng pillow. Meron daw si Zach na nakita. Wait lang. Wait lang, Baba.
What's it? 39. This is 32.
We got lots of letters at home.
All these
Ah, the drone. Yeah, you had that before, remember?
and guess who lost it?
Kuya TJ. Soft. Oh, yeah.
I want.
Nakuha si Ivy ng pillow.
Mama, I really want these.
We got, you have that one, Baba. Yes, it's different. Meron siya yan. Different character lang. Okay, let's go. Tapos na tayo dito sa Kmart. Punta tayo ng Kohl's. Hintay lang natin si Brody. And sa Tuesday, punta tayo dyan sa Twinkle Nails. Kasi nagpa-schedule na ako, guys. And speaking, ayan, natanggal na yung isa, oh. Yes. Yeah. Behave, ha? Behave. Okay. Kohl's tayo, guys. Kohl's. Meat. Yeah, we got it.
another one?
This one. I think I still have at home. But yeah, I just get two.
Perfect.
Right.
Now you need to get your
my lemon, for my lemon, lime, and bitters. This one, tinuturuan niya ako kung ano yung imimix ko doon sa nabili natin nung isang araw, yung bitter, yung para sa lemon, lime, and bitter. Wag daw yung kasi may lemon, lime na yun. May lemon, lime, and bitter. Ano na siya, kompleto na. So, kunin lang natin yung panghalo. Lime? Ah, this is not. Diet.
Oh, there's your lime juice.
Lime juice. Nasaan yung lime juice? This lime juice and lemon or just lime?
Well, it says just lime because you've got your lemonade
Okay.
and then you've got your bitters.
Okay. I don't have lemonade.
We're going to buy lemonade.
Ah, we're gonna buy lemonade.
Yeah,
All right.
unless you want to buy the lemon and lime.
Okay, we got the lime juice.
Can we get £10?
Have cheap lemonade, Kirk's lemonade, or Sprite.
We have Sprite in our freezer.
Lemon. This one? This is lemonade. Lemonade, right?
Yep.
Okay, lemonade.
We'll see how we go.
Yep. Drizzle. Yeah. Try this one too, guys. Gagawa tayo ng masarap na lemon lime. We will make the best lemon lime and bitters in town. Balikan ko yung dalawa dito. Kasi sabi ko, allow silang kumuha ng tigi-isa. Are they? Okay. Get one. Which one you want? What you got, Holly? Mayroon siyang tubig? Okay. Haba baba? Ito tayo. Dito tayo may hirapan kasi.
Should we get going to take us some movies?
What Kuya Tiji wants? Okay, get one. That's too many.
$3.
Alright.
This is not my favorite.
Okay, which one is your choice? No, that. Oh, you don't put that in your pocket. Hi, I want this one.
Oh, no, don't get that.
I want this.
Drink, Mom.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. Gusto niya raw nerds. Okay. We're good? Alright, let's go. Huh?
This is only $3.
Yeah. Do you think TJ will like what you got, Zachary?
Thank
Huh?
you, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Thanks.
Welcome. Huh?
No, but you haven't bought it yet. Mom.
Yeah, but we're gonna pay that anyway. Ayaw ni Sak pabuksan kasi hindi pa raw bayad. Oh, na si Holly eh. Salt. I just want butter and yeah, original.
What about sweet and salty?
So dito kami, doon sila.
We got everything.
You got it already. All right. Thank you. All right, Saki. Careful, ako na. Kasi may ano siya, babasagin. Okay, let's go. Pabalik na tayo dito sa caravan, guys. Pero tingnan nyo, stuck kami dito kasi ang haba ng pila papasok. Nasaan sila? Reception. Kinukuha nila yung kanilang ano, or nagbabayad. Okay, kinukuha yung key.
Oh, that's Chona!
Ayan. Dito na ko yan. Dito na lang sila dyan. Ayan sila dyan.
Where you going in?
Oh, kami kanina pa dito. Follow that. Kasi mahaba, oh. Mahaba ang pila dito. You're lucky they are here. Or else. Okay, ayan.
Why didn't they pull up
I
over
know. Andun sila, oh. Buti na lang. Andyan na sila, oh. Kung hindi nandun pa kami sa likod, naghihintay. Ayan, si Kuya.
It's tea.
One of the adults, si Kuya.
Drink. Where's he chugging it? That we got from the shop. Mom, the one that we got from the shop.
Jen said give him a hug. Okay, Baba, don't forget your water, please. There. Okay. That's yours and Holly, I think, and Maxi. But I said they can have only Haba Baba or this one. Yes, I got you one. How's golfing?
One.
I'm tired with Ben.
Oh, you tied with Ben. Wow.
Go have some breakfast.
Have mine, Mom?
Yeah.
Can I lick
But
it?
yeah. No.
Can I do? This is on mine.
No, there's one for Zach. Okay.
This is blue on yours.
Yeah.
Dad, I got red licorice, raspberry.
Favorite niya yun, sis Jan ayaw niya.
What'd you get, mate?
Babe,
What'd you get, mate?
nothing, my love. Honey, huh?
What'd you get? Drinks for the kids?
Yeah.
What else?
Fruit box and... Right, bis na. Kuha ang malamig. Yung pinunta natin, guys, ano mga yun? Mga crafting, like... Yung mga... Isa lang ang nakapasok dun, yung lollies. Halos lahat gawa. Homemade and... No. Ah, you got... Yes. Yes, Sak got you one. Yeah, mga, ano, mga... handmade. Magaganda naman, pero akala namin yung market nung pinunta natin. Okay. List ako ng ano. Si Holland dude. Hawak niyo yung mahaba niyang lollies.
Where's my clothes going?
What? Where you going? Where you going, huh? What you gonna get?
Stop pulling tight, Bubba.
I know.
Punta na siya ng Coles. What you gonna get, babe? Hmm.
Cream.
And he's gonna.
I have cream.
Oh, Bridie wants some cream.
Hmm.
No,
So, bili raw siya ng sausage and what?
Chops.
Chop. So, yun ang dinner.
Motivate.
And potato. Akala kasi namin, hindi kami magluluto ngayon. Kaya hindi, di ba galing lang kami ng Coles? And dumating sila, sabi nila, hindi raw ngayon yung street food. Kasi may nakita sila kahapon na street food, pero hindi nila alam kung kailan. So, nag-golf sila dyan, malapit doon. So, tinanong nila, baka sa ano pa raw, sa next week? Or, yeah. So, wale. So, ngayon, babalik si Jan para bumili ng dinner natin for tonight. And nagbihis na ako guys kasi malamig. Malamig yung weather ngayon. Maganda, malinaw yung langit. Malinaw yung blue. Blue sky tayo. Maganda, may araw. Pero malamig siya guys. Yung ano, yung hangin malamig. Okay, ano lang ako dito. Maglinis. Kasi maaga tayo kanina. Malinis naman. Mag-tied up lang ba? Linis naman siya. Then, mag-edit ako guys. Mag-edit tayo. Dito na si Kuya. And, pumunta sila ni Jan sa Coles. What's that? Wow!
Chicken and gravy from the bread shop.
From the bread shop. Is that before going inside the
That's chips. Front where you go into the front and then it's just
Coles? Yeah, before you go inside Coles. Wash your hands first, Kuya, please. Wash your...
still now.
No. Wash your hands. Hugas lang ng kamay. Ayan yung kanyang... Water, please. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Where's your jumper?
You see.
Well, where? It's
Are
cold.
they gonna go swimming or not?
No, it's cold, Kuya, today.
Make three.
Ay, it's up to you. It's too cold. Mag-edit ako.
Only in the spa.
Alright, yung spa kasi maano.
Spa's not even that hot.
See, the spa is not that even hot. Which one is hot?
The big one that's short, not the.
The round one.
Little kid.
Yeah, the round one.
Because they're real kids.
Yeah. Did Daddy bring the sausages?
Go to pool. Are you?
Max and me, Max on.
Are you?
We're going to the pool.
Alright.
Are you?
Yeah. Hey, Max on. Are you? Yeah.
Mum only spending $20.
Yeah, because there's not much in that market, right, Zach? But there's some cool
You went to the
stuff, right? What did you say?
Give Ivy's towel.
What's that?
Ivy's towel.
Towel, yeah, give it to Ivy. Which one is the coolest one that you seen there? Kuya, Zachary?
That one, chicken. Coolest one there.
The one who's making,
Coins.
yeah, coins, ring, and what else? The paper.
They're making rings out of coins.
Yes. And we seen one from
Philippines.
Philippines.
Probably back.
Alright, yeah.
2009.
Yeah, 2009 pa yung ginawa niyang ring. Okay, mag-edit na ako, guys. Yes, dito na rin siya. Ito yung kanyang mga libre. Yeah, that's TJ. Oh!
Hey.
Oh my God. What's it?
Snags.
Snags, sausages. Okay, what else? You got cinnamon. Oh, you got cramp. What did you
More
get?
crumpets and just iced coffee
And what's that?
that's just those peach things.
Peach things. Alright. Ayan pa pala na. Ayan pa. Di ko pa nagagalaw. Yung aking greenhouse rin kanina.
Yeah, put them sausages in the fridge.
Yes, I will. Okay. Pa tayo nakakapag-edit, guys. Sabi ko, kain muna tayo. Kain muna ako. Yung mga bata, binilan ni Jan ng pagkain. Kumain sila dun sa caravan ni Bridie. So, ako, wale. So, yung tira na lang ang kainin natin. Ito yung leftover na ulam kagabi. Ay! Wait lang, guys. And then, may rice pa akong konti. Hindi ko siya inubos kasi medyo malambot yung ilalim. So, hindi ko siya free-night rice. Okay, gawan natin yan. Parang hindi siya sumara. Okay. Kain muna ako. And iput away natin yung ating mga binili. Binili. Wait lang, guys. Malamig. So, ulit yung ating pa-H na jumper. Ang tawag dito. Anyway, bumili siya ng bread. Bread. Ang paborito ng mga bata. Pang breakfast. Crumpets. Square naman. Mayroon dito. And, ayan. Dalawa. Sa isang ganito, 6 ang laman. Then, peach. Oops. Ilang peach ba to? 2, 4, 6, 7. Kasama niya si Kuya. Favorite ni Kuya ang peach. Okay. And then, 1 coffee. So, yan yung laman ng isang bag. Ayan. Tapos na yung akin. Wait lang. Tapos. Okay. And, ito yung binili ko kanina. Nakasama si Brody. So, kumuha tayong lemon and lime. Pang-mix natin dun sa bitters na binili natin ng isang araw. Then, itry ko. Sabi niya, try daw pareho kung anong gusto ko. Sabi ko, okay. So, ito yung isa. Ito yung unang kinuha namin. Andin to. Lemon lang to. Lemon. Lime juice. Ayan, lime juice. Kunti lang ang ilalagay niyan. And then, mayroon tayong lemonade. Lemonade. So, ito ang ilalagay natin na mas madami. Compare sa, ito kasi kunti lang. And then, yung bitters kunti lang din. Ito hindi ko ilalagay pag nilagay ko to. So, pipili lang ako kung alin sa dalawa and kung anong magustuhan ko. Kasi, napapansin niya nga, pag lumalabas kami, laging lemon bitter. Sabi niya, I'll show you something. So, yun. Ito, fruit box na apple raspberry. Then, ano pa ba? Isa pang, black carrot naman tong fruit box. Then, bumili tayong popcorn, salted, sweet and salty. Ito naman, butter flavor. Ito, triple butter. So, meron sila, chocolate. Ito, guys. Ayan. Meron tayong isang ganito, and ito. Reese's. Masarap siya. Nakakamiss yung yung sa atin, chocobot. Mayroon ako meron ako binili kay Jonalyn. Inuunti-unti ko siya. Chocobot. Nasaan ka? Ayan, meron pala ako. Meron pa akong chocobot. Hindi pala ito, pero parang chocobot din, di ba? Yung honey nut. Kuha ako niyan. 3. Okay, kain muna ako, guys. Kasi nagugutom na ako. Mag-put away. I-put away ko yung mga kalat ko. Pero kain muna ako kasi lalamig to. Okay, guys. Kain muna. Tingnan niyo si Sak. Si Sak na lang ang hindi pa nakabihis. Si Kuya. Ayan si Jan. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Si Jan, linabas niya yung yung grilled natin. Kasi magluluto siyang sausages. Si Holly nasa jumping pillow na. Ako kumain ko, diba? Sobrang busog ako, guys. And eto yung binigay ni Ann. Yung sa Japan. Ayan. Yung chili garlic. Ano siya, guys? Hindi siya maanghang. Masarap sana yan kung maanghang talaga siya. Medyo matamis-tamis siyang konti. Pero ang dami kong nakain. Kasi nilalagay ko dun sa chicken. So, yun yung ating pampagana. Kaso wala akong chili. Yes? What? Are you starting it now? Later, it's too early. No iPad, Kuya.
Nothing to do with it.
Gusto niyo mag-iPad? Ano na iPad? Dito na si Sak, nakabihis na rin siya.
Oh, can I take these coins?
What coin? Yeah, you can have. So I only owe you
$10.
$10.
Yeah, because I'm gonna get that 10 that you.
Yeah, may utang sa kanya $20.
I didn't go to bed until 3:11
Whatever.
today. I'll try one of these.
That's mine.
I'm not gonna try them.
Yung guys, yung
Oh, I
careful. Yeah.
I love these ones.
Yung choke nut. No, it's not that way ba sa. So, ladurog na yung crumble.
Oh, do it. Good.
You had that before?
Oh, I could.
Gusto niya yan, guys. Oh, baka naman. Baka naman daw, guys. yan lang masaya na siya. You like it? Huh? Say Chocobot.
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 It's not Chocobot.
What is it?
I forgot. Oh, wait, stop it. See?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. See? Get all that. Sarap. Mag-edit na ako, guys, kasi malinis na dito.
Can I have a picture?
Huh?
Can I have a picture?
A what? Peach? Si Kuya, nakadalawa na siya ng dalawang peach na si TJ. Wash it first. Get the soft one first, Sak. Yes, the soft one first.
Okay.
Pangatlo na yan kasi si Kuya nakakuha siyang dalawa. That's hot. And then make sure, use the tea towel there on your side, on your right side. Not that one, the other one, yes. Alright. So
Swallow this.
where you don't swallow. Oh, yuck. Ew! People doing this. Ew. That's right. Okay, see ya. Okay, mag-edit na ako. Makakapag-edit na ako. Hindi ako nakapag-edit, guys. Pumunta ako sa pool pero hindi ko kayo kasama ngayon. Ayan, nagluto na yung boys. The ultimate favorite of the boys, bake. Lagi na lang nilang request yung baked potato.
Oh, sorry, Brody.
Ha, it's not close.
Nah, it should go. I don't think it's the back.
Na. Guys, hindi ako nakapag-edit kasi pumunta ako sa swimming, sa pool area kanina pero hindi ko kayo dinala kasi naiwan ko kayo dito. Pumunta ako kay hinahanap po siya doon sa kabilang caravan. May mga kausap siya tapos hinanap ko si Brady, nandun siya sa pool. So, kwentuhan na lang kayo doon at binantayan si Ivy kasi si Max tsaka si Ivy na lang ang nagsiswimming. And then pagbalik namin, nagluto na ng baked potato. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay, meron tayo dito, guys, na si Jen nakaligo na Ugg boots. Turkish bread. Ayan. Ang lamig sa labas, guys. And mag-cut tayong carrots kasi marami pa tayong carrots. Kasi mga bata mahilig sa carrots eh. Hilaw lang na carrots kasi ayaw nila ng luto. So hindi ako nakapag-edit, guys. Where are you going? Kakain lang naman tayo. Magluluto ka lang naman, babe. Yung baked potato dito sa amin, doon sa namin, yung ihawan natin doon sa labas. Eto doon kila Ben. Pero kakain tayo sa camp kitchen, as always.
We're going to the camp kitchen.
Yeah. To eat there, babe. Oh, it's just one honey, see? Tingnan nyo, guys. Yeah. Tingnan. Ayan na. Lagi niya itong binabaliktad kasi nga ang bango niya, guys. Pero gusto niya, halos everyday, binabaliktad niya dyan, oh. Ayan. Bango. Okay. Cut na tayo ng carrots. Ito, lagyan ng butter. Tapos na ako mag-iwan ng carrots, guys. Ngayon, mag-refill ako ng tomato sauce. Kasi, dasdang kalahati na lang to. Oops. So, okay. And then, yung Turkish, ito yung carrots, guys. Lagay ko na yun dyan. Yung Turkish bread, nahiwa ko na rin. Ganyan. So, ilalagay ko siya sa oven. And lagyan natin siyang butter. Ito, balik ko to dito. And then, nandito na rin yung ating mga plato. Cubiertos. Tama ba? Yan na yung mga ating gagamitin. So, yeah, linisin ko lang yung sink. Hintayin maluto yung ating potato bake. And sa kitchen ulit tayo. Is it soft?
Can you grab a fork?
Here, lagyan niya ng cheese yung... ayun si Holly. Baba, we need light, Baba. Here. A little bit more.
It's got cheese on it, hasn't it?
No, no cheese yet. No. Not yet. So where are we gonna put the bread?
Just light in there somewhere. It's on the tray.
Where are you gonna put it?
Well, I don't think I can get my hands under there.
Why not? Do you want me to do it? Don't drop it. No, not there, babe. Go there,
Yeah, I think it's gonna...
Dito na lang muna nilagay.
What's that?
Hala! Are you alright?
Oh, tough nose.
You ruined my
I
thing.
did.
Ah.
But that'll still work. Oh, that's how hot it was.
My God. Kaya di yan nilagay dito kasi kita yung nag-melt yung ano.
Right,
Bread. Okay. Punta na tayo guys ng Camp Kitchen. Si Kuya dala niya yung cold noodles. Let me see ya. Yan yung cold noodles. Si Holy Carrots.
Those containers is...
Si Jan siya magdadala nito. Linagay ko siya dito.
You can smell it there.
What?
You know what?
That stuff.
The one we bought from the market. Ang bango kasi ng caravan talaga guys.
There's only
And
one there we need.
the...
Yes,
Yep.
righty.
And the bread. Si Sak magdala.
What's that gonna carry? I carry
Bread.
No, Zach can...
Okay, let's go. Si Sak ang may dala ng ating bag, yung green bag. Lahat kayo may dala. Dito na tayo sa Camp Kitchen. Meron tayong dessert. So, ayan yung ating plate para sa dessert. Yan. Ito yung dinner natin for tonight. Nandito yung... Wow! Meron tayong... What's this? Chops and sausages.
Big, thick one.
Okay, dinner time. Kainan na. You want some bread, Baba? Just wait, Sakari. Baba, you want bread? Come here.
What else
You want some cucumbers, Zach? Carrots?
Bread, Zach?
Can't handle it.
I saw that.
You want bread, Kuya?
Oh, yes, please.
What do you have, Molly? Sausage?
Wow.
Thanks.
Is that it? Any of this?
I got 5 chocolate by going like that to it.
Are you gonna eat the burnt though?
I don't like those. Now, can we cut this? Why don't this go?
That is it. Well, I cured the chops.
Now cut this. Do you like raw carrots or cooked carrots? Raw.
I didn't go.
I'm not the fan. I mean raw. I don't like cooked. I don't like it raw. I don't like it raw.
You like pumpkin soup?
Yeah.
Bone for me. Doon sila, dito ako. Ayan. I love it. Ayan yung aking plate, guys. Kain. Meron tayong chops, baked potato, sausages, and cold noodles. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. And inatasan namin yung mga bata na sila ang maghugas tonight. So, iba yung nag-rinse, iba yung magsasabon, iba yung magda-dry. Ayan. Yeah.
So you can do it.
Si Kuya yung nag-skip ng mga tira-tira na pagkain. Ha? Ha? Is it rinse? Or is it wash? No, so you have to wash it. Andun sila. Dito pala yung ating dessert. What do you call this? Meringue? Lemon meringue. And si Holly ang taga-dala dito. No, it's alright. It's dry.
But that's not plain.
It's alright. It's dry. It's just the...
It's not plain.
Okay. Reject sa quality control. Ang nagda-dry si Max. Training sila, guys. Si Jan nag-dessert na sila doon. Yung mga bata. Ayan, binabantayan ko kung tama ang kanilang ginagawa.
It's even easier at home.
Easier at home. Oh. It's alright. How is it, Ham? Good? Hindi ko pa ito natitikman. Lemon, meringue. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Ayan. Binigay yan sa amin ng friend ni Ben. Ginawa homemade. Pero pag ko nakagat niya dyan, tingnan niyo si Jan, ha? No, that's not glass, Baba. That's ours. Tingnan si Holly. Binigyan namin sila. Good job, Baba. Siya ang taga-lagay dito ng mga na-dry ng plates. And dito din sa amin. Oh, is it love?
You watch me.
But you're almost there, honey.
You guys are putting up children in here.
Lobat na to, guys. Basta ayun si Jan, naasiman siya. Patapos na yung mga bata. So, close ko na yung vlog. Wala na tayo. Ano na, flat na to. Good night, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Good night, good night, good night, good night. Yes, good night, Zach. Good night, Zach. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Maxi. Good night. Say, please like. Good night. Good night. How's yours, Kuya? You like it? Si Kuya at si Ivy naman yung sa dessert plate ang naguhugas. Palungkot na talaga to. Wala na. Ino-on off na lang. O yan. Si Kuya at saka si Ivy naman.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.